Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your website to Google Analytics. So without any delay, let's jump into it. First, log in or sign up if you haven't yet and fill in the details to set up a property. After that, you'll be ready to add your website. On the home page, click Web to begin setting up your data stream. Enter your website URL and give the stream a recognizable name. For additional tracking, you can enable enhanced measurement to automatically track interactions like scrolls, video views, and more. Adjust what you want to measure by selecting or deselecting options. And then click Save and create stream. Next, you will need to add the tracking code to every page of your website. If you're using a website builder or CMS, select your platform and follow the provided instructions for installation. Once the code is installed, your site is successfully added to Google Analytics. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.